Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. This is 116th video in our PTC Creo Parametric course, where we are covering everything from basic to advanced technique. If you are new here and want to start from beginning, be sure to check out the entire playlist link that I have added in the description of this video. In this quick session, we are going to take a look at utility option in Analysis group of style tool, specifically the options to delete section, curvature and knot. Okay, so let's say you did good job in analyzing your surface and then you have created all these different type of analysis. Now how we going to remove that? So one way is we can hide it. Another way is we can go here in saved analysis, and now here we can look for those and then we can click here on delete. Or what we can do here is we can go here in analysis and then we have got an option to delete them. For example, I would like to delete this curvature analysis that we did here, okay? And when I click here, it's going to delete all curvature analysis. So let me actually add another curvature analysis here. And now if I go here in analyze and click on all curvature, then you will see that in just a single click, I have deleted all curvature analysis. So one may think of why we need to have this particular option when we already have got here option to delete it. Well, the reason is pretty simple. Let's say you did multiple analysis. Now you do not want that kind of hassle where you are deleting all these analysis one by one. So here what we can do is we can go simply on analysis and then we simply can delete that. Now in a similar way, let's delete this knot type of analysis. Again, I would say in one click. Now there is one more variant, which is all section. So to delete all section, let me actually create a section analysis where I'm gonna quickly select the curve. And now let's select the direction, and there we go. So now again, if I go here quickly and click on delete all section, here you will see all the analysis we have successfully deleted. So I would say these dedicated options are very useful when you know that all this particular kind of analysis is of no use for me. So we simply can go here and click on delete all. So that's wrap up today's session on how to delete analysis features like section, curvature plot and knot inside style tool inside PTC Creo Parametric. These cleanup tools may seem minor, but they go a long way in keeping your workflow clean and distraction free. If you want to follow our entire PTC Creo Parametric series and want to elevate your engineering skills, then make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam, as we cover a variety of topics from core engineering to CAD to project management. If you have got any kind of questions or have any suggestion, please feel free to drop them in comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.